In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your HP printer is stuck in a boot loop. Is the HP logo with the loading animation. Well, it has been sitting like this for at least the last hour. So what I suggest is, first of all, let it like this at least an hour. Maybe your printer is slow to update and you don't have to worry about that. If you're still stuck, I suggest you go on the back of your printer and pull the power cable. Wait 5 seconds and then plug it back. The printer will turn on by itself automatically and we just have to wait. All right. And this is the normal boot, the HP logo. You're going to see the loading thing going on, but this time it should boot up as usual and you'll be able to use your printer. So let me just wait a bit. Here we go. So now it's working. It says that there's no Wi-Fi. You may have to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi, but overall, this is it. It's now working. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.